Hey everyone, welcome back to the studio. I just wanted to give you a tour of a couple finished products from our hand-built jig that we just did a video on. If you just go back a few reels, you'll be able to find the video, and our YouTube has a full tutorial. So here we have two finished mugs that I use. These are the mugs that you will see on the videos that we just filmed. One is a little bit larger. These are, I measured this one, and to the rim there, it's 16 ounces. So that's what I said originally when we made them. So you can belly these out. This one has a little bit more of a capacity than this one because I left it a little wider when I took the jig out. This one I collared in right at the neck, and I bellied out the belly a little bit. So that's the difference between the two of those. So 16 ounce mugs. So what we did is we started off with a rolled slab. I rolled the texture into this mug. So this is a peony flower texture there. And then we wrapped it around this jig. And to release the jig, we moved the key from the outer to the inner position here, just like this. And that squeezed this form. We're able to pop it out. You can see how much. This is standard 266 clay. So my shrinkage might be a little bit different. You might have to mess around with your clay body. But in general, I have about a 10% shrinkage rate. So we move the key from the outside to the inside. This is the cutter that you can get separately, or it comes in a combo pack with these three pieces here. And this is what we used to cut the bottom out. Again, you can refer back to our original video, but you can see there's quite a bit of shrinkage there, but it shrinks perfectly with the jig. So the bottom fit nicely on the bottom, no leaks, everything stayed sealed. We used our mini shark fin on the banding wheel, and that's what gave us this angle here on the outside, you can see, to define the foot a little bit more. And then if you remember from the video, our regular rim cone was too small. It fits perfectly on the finished form, but we had to level up to our XL rim cone, which is what we use to keep the top round. I'll show you the finished product there. Nice and round. I like to carve in the lip there, removes a little bit of weight and also gives some decorative detail. And I don't know if you can see, but we laid in that spiral in the video also. So here is the finished product. You can see the seam here from the Handbuilt. And that's, I chose to put my handle right over the seam. You can see a small bump from the seam there. So this is the finished product. I just thought maybe you guys would like to see what a finished mug looks like. Here it is in hand. It's really comfortable, 16 ounces. We do have a smaller version now, which is our medium form, which will be up on the website. So you can go ahead when you're choosing, if you want the Handbuilding jig, you can choose the larger or the smaller here. This one, my guess finished would be more of an 8 to 10 ounce mug. So a smaller mug if that is your choice. So 16 ounces, that is what we used for everything. All the tools here, look at that. There you go.